Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan lasagna at home. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of firm tofu, 10 ounces of fresh spinach, and 24 ounces of your favorite marinara sauce. We will transform these simple components into a comforting, hearty meal everyone will love. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, dairy-free lasagna that truly satisfies, impressing your friends and family with its rich flavor and simple preparation. For our creamy vegan ricotta, blend 1 pound of firm tofu with 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, a pinch of salt, and a dash of garlic powder until smooth. Next, for the rich sauce, sauté 1/2 cup of diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour in your 24 ounces of marinara, letting it simmer gently for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully meld, creating a truly robust foundation for your lasagna. Enhance your lasagna with vibrant vegetable layers. Lightly sauté 1 cup of sliced zucchini, 1 cup of mushrooms, or 10 ounces of fresh spinach in a pan with a little olive oil until tender crisp. This adds fantastic flavor and texture. For the noodles, you can use oven-ready sheets to save time, or boil 12 traditional lasagna noodles al dente for about 8 minutes. Just ensure they are slightly firm, as they will finish cooking perfectly in the oven. Now for the fun part, assembling your lasagna. Start by spreading about 1/3 cup of marinara sauce evenly at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish to prevent sticking. Next, lay 3 or 4 noodles, followed by half of your creamy ricotta mixture. Add a layer of sautéed vegetables, then another generous scoop of marinara. Repeat these layers, finishing with noodles and a final, ample coating of sauce, perhaps with some vegan mozzarella.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.